Okay, today we're going to be working on this beautiful kit designed for kids, but you know what? I wanted to learn how to create a butterfly where its wings would fly. But yeah, so this is what we're creating today. To be honest, I filmed this video just to grab clips for part 2 of the robot, the butterfly, and the lamp video series. But I have to admit that this kit was a huge part of my learning development. I thought the STEM kit would be the perfect way to get my hands on a motor that would be appropriate for the butterfly piece, especially since the kit is of a butterfly with wings flapping, but I wanted it to identify the appropriate steps and pieces that are necessary to make the wings move. In general, I estimated that a motor for my butterfly piece would cost about $10, and with the whole kit being about $15, it was definitely a worthwhile investment. You can purchase this kit on Amazon.com. Check it out in the description below. While the kit is intended for kids from 8 to 12, I don't think that the average kid would be able to do this very well without the support from an adult with some basic put stuff together with tools type skills. While I was able to complete the project in about 90 minutes, I would think that my 13-year-old self would have some trouble with this kit, and I think I would drop the small screws often and eventually lose some of them. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. The directions are generally easy to follow. I did get confused and started following the directions out of order on the backside as the numbering wasn't done in a straight line. 13. Where's 14? Oh my gosh. Oh jeez. What? 9, 10, 11. Are you serious? It's like, what? The wood in the STEM kit is a bit flimsy, and there were times when I was scared that I may actually break one of the pieces. I had to carefully remove the wooden pieces from the sheets and take great care when putting the pieces together. There are some extra pieces if something does break, but not every single piece is covered. Admittedly, I did eventually break something that didn't have a duplicate piece. Did I really break it? I broke it. Fortunately, I do have a lot of CA glue to fix the issue. Another piece that I was concerned about was that the electrical wire does not have a firm, secure connection to some components. It's nice that the kit states that you do not need to solder anything, but what you are actually doing is bending the wire in a way to hope that it stays in place. Oh, looks like it's working. Good. Okay. Once everything is completed, it's always very satisfying to see everything work. Yay. While not perfect, this STEM kit is still a great learning tool for people of all ages, with kids needing to have additional adult support. Find a link to this item on Amazon.com found in the description below. Don't forget to stay tuned for part 2 of the robot, the butterfly, and the lamp video series, where I take what I learned from the STEM kit and make my own version of a butterfly with flapping wings. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, as everything does help out. Special shout out to our patrons and donors of our programs. Without you, we just wouldn't be able to do what we are doing. So thank you, thank you, thank you. Sending out hearts as well, and we will see you again real soon. Peace out.